Go ahead.
What's that coming from? Alright.
See it right there.
What? This?
Yep.
What's this?
It's gonna take all day. What is that?
What's this?
What is that?
I don't know. We don't see.
Now do you see what it is? Look at Mommy.
It's that thing.
Say thank you, Nene and Papa.
Papa.
You like it? Do you see what it is? It's a vanity for you to sit and do your makeup. Cool, huh? Is that cool?
Yeah. Shall we just open another one?
Yeah, go ahead and sit down. Sit down for Mommy.
I like to open this box.
Okay. That one's from Aunt Steph and Uncle Doug.
Yeah. So,
And the pup.
what I got. Okay. I can't wait to see.
I can't wait for you to see.
Do you want to see too?
Uh-huh.
What? And see what?
Excuse me, mister. What is that?
Hope to see?
Aw, say thank you, Titan.
Maybe hope to see. Here we go. Getting off the top.
What is it? Turn it over. Look.
I'll show you in there.
Thank you for your help, Titan. What is that? Do you like it?
Okay.
Do you know who that is?
Yeah, I don't want to speak about it.
Yeah.
Now let's open another box.
Oh. Say thank you to Aunt Steph. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Okay, open another box.
After you say your thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think Titan likes it. Titan likes it. Hi, Titan. Okay, he'll play that one. You go to the next one. Turn so Mommy can see you. Okay, who's that one from? Scott and Sarah and Kaylee.
Yeah.
Thanks, Titan. I see it.
I'm so proud of them.
You proud of them?
What did I get?
What is that?
I don't know. Think about it.
Yeah, it's a tea set for your tea parties.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Open it. And see what?
Oh, what's in behind it? Mickey Mouse!
Another one?
Time's like, what? That's not Mickey Mouse doing.
That's stickers, and then this looks like it's a coloring book.
Whoa.
I think that one is sliding down.
Yeah. Do you like them? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Scott and Sarah.
Thank you.
Okay, next one. We'll take these. Over there, Time. No. Get those ones. Those ones.
First? And I'll open this one first?
Yep, that's from Brock and James and Lexi and Olivia.
Yeah. What did I get?
What is it?
I don't know.
Flip it over.
It's a Barbie.
Is it a Barbie doll? Ooh. Thank you.
Open that yet.
Open the rest of theirs. No, those same ones. Yep.
Where is it?
Right here.
Careful, Titan.
Let's see what I got again.
Okay, let's see.
You don't need
You gonna help, Titan? Yeah?
No, the next one no, not that one there.
It's okay. It's okay, Ken. He's just looking. What is that?
Pony?
Pony? Is this a pony?
Yeah.
We can't open that yet.
Okay. Last one from them.
Your best friend.
James and Lexi and Brock and Allie.
Yep, that's it. Yeah. got again.
Okay.
Rocket or snare?
What is that? Your own camera.
I got the camera too, just like you.
Yeah.
I take care of them, and I like it.
You're going to take care of it? Good girl. Say thank you. Kenzie, wait. Say thank you.
Thank you.
James and Lexi and Brock and Allie.
Thank you, James and Allie and Brock and Lexi.
Good girl. Okay, open the rest of Mommy and Daddy's.
Not this one first.
Yep, and Titan.
Titan got me this one too.
Oh, I wonder what that is.
I wonder we will see.
Yes, we will.
Uh-oh. I forgot. What's that one? I think that was... Oh.
What is that?
I don't know.
A playpen for your babies.
Let me keep wrapping it so I can get it out.
Okay.
No, open the next one. There we go.
Okay, next one.
That's cute. It's so little.
Look at the picture so you can see what it is. Do you see? Yeah.
Look at it for a second.
Cool,
I
huh?
love it.
Good. Okay, go ahead.
Another one is this.
Okay.
Where's this one?
This side.
Let's see what I get.
Let's see. What is that?
No, I get to open it.
Dora's party.
I love it.
Good.
I love it. I love it. I love it today. Let's see the next one I got now.
Flip it over.
I'm so mad.
What is that?
Tinkerbell?
Tinkerbell
No, I
movie.
can watch it now.
Yeah.
Look at Sophie.
What?
Wow.
That is so
Is that your
neat.
Tinkerbell movie?
Yeah, I get to watch it now.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, last present.
Yep. Okay.
Maddie.
What is that?
Let's see. A backpack.
What is that? Now when you dance with Dora in your backpack, you can really dance with her.
No, I get to.
Way to go, Titan. Okay, say thank you, everybody. Say thank you, Daddy. Say thank you, everybody. Love you. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Can you wave and blow a kiss? Bye. Titan.
Wow.
Bye-bye.